Wiki Daily. Central Vista Redevelopment Project. The Parliament of India is the supreme legislative body of the Republic of India. It is a bicameral legislature composed of the President of India and the two houses, the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. The Indian government in 2019 launched the Central Vista Redevelopment Project, with the construction of a new parliament building as a part, alongside other projects in New Delhi. Once completed, it will be the seat of the Parliament of India, which currently occupies Parliament House, located directly opposite the new building's site. The building will have a built area of 20,866 square meters, excluding open sky area within the structure, which makes it 4,022 square meters, approximately 1 acre, more spacious than existing circular structure of 16,844 square meters, diameter 170 m, excluding its open area. On December 10, 2020, Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of the building. The ceremony included an interfaith prayer service, performed by religious leaders. The project was cleared in a majority judgment of the Supreme Court in January 2021, with riders for environmental concerns, and work on the building was begun. The architect in charge of the redesign of Central Vista, the new complex is likely to have a triangular shape. It will be built next to the existing complex and will be slightly bigger than former one. The building will have a life of more than 150 years. It is designed to be earthquake resistant and will incorporate architectural styles from different parts of India. The proposed chambers for the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha will have large seating capacities to accommodate more members than are currently present, since the number of MPs may increase with India's growing population and consequent future delimitation. The Lok Sabha may need to have 888 members by 2026. The new complex will have 888 seats in the Lok Sabha chamber and 384 seats in the Rajya Sabha chamber. Unlike the present Parliament building, it will not have a central hall, and the Lok Sabha chamber itself will be able to house 1,224 members in case of a joint session. The rest of the building will have 4 floors with offices of ministers and committee rooms. Wiki Daily. Subscribe for more videos.